Hey guys, so we're doing a little video here on angle pair relationships. More importantly, we're going to be looking at the relationship that is shared between two parallel lines and a transversal. So this should be a really short video lesson just to kind of show you a fun way to remember the relationships and which angles are congruent formed by the parallel lines in transversal and which angles are supplementary. So I'm going to kind of give you the fun way of understanding the relationship, and hopefully that will help you remember them in the future. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is kind of follow a pattern, because math is all about patterns. Let's go ahead and put a dot right here in this angle. We'll put a dot in its vertical angle right here, and we'll do that same pattern down here in the corresponding angles. Okay? Then we're also going to put two squiggles, a squiggle right here and a squiggle right here, a squiggle right here, and a squiggle right here in the other vertical angles and corresponding angles. So because of the relationships that occur between parallel lines and a transversal, we can find that there's a certain relationship that these squiggles and dots have with each other, and this is called the squiggle squiggle dot dot method. I learned it from another teacher of mine, so shout out to Mr. Green. Thanks for this cool idea. So the first relationship that we want to make sure that we identify is that all dots are equal to all their dots. Okay? So for example, if this angle was 78 degrees, then all the other dots would be 78 degrees. Okay? The second relationship that we're going to identify here is the idea that all squiggles are equal to all squiggles. So therefore, if all squiggles are all equal to all squiggles, and this squiggle right here was 102 degrees, that means all the other squiggles would be 102 degrees. Alright? And then the last relationship that we want to understand is if all dots are equal to all dots and all squiggles are all equal to all squiggles, then we need to understand the relationship between a dot and a squiggle. So let's do that, dot and a squiggle. So what's the relationship that dot and squiggle have? Well, they end up being supplementary, which means they both add up to 180 degrees. So I can look at that example here. I have a squiggle and a dot right next to each other, 78 plus 102, that adds up to 180 degrees. Alright, so that hopefully is a little reminder of helping you figure out squiggle, squiggle, dot, dot, and hopefully that will help you with some of your homework problems and other problems you see on tests and quizzes. Thanks, have a great day.